Class 3 and students here performing the practical. Total student bring themselves the kits, their own kits, and here they performing the practicals. They start, which is the today's practical. Arohi, here the students firstly name. I will introduce the students' name. Firstly, Swaraj Jadhav. Next one, Arohi Venikar and Nihal. That three students here performing the practical. They start. Arohi, tell me what is the name of practical?
Can sound travel through earth?
Okay, right. What are the requirements?
Requirement: plastic cup,
Right. Let's start. Do that practical. Okay. Let's start.
Hello, 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 hello.
Okay. This is the practical and students here performing the practicals. All students are here. I have their own kits.